You're using Flow and Glab's automation to create images, but after just a few tries, you hit the limit. Today, I'll show you how to increase that limit by 6 times. Completely legitimate, using one built-in Google feature that almost everyone is wasting. Watch to the end because I'll show a live demo. Here's the problem. Each Google account only gives you a fixed image generation quota. Many of you already have 4 or 5 old emails, but all on the free plan. And the free plan has a very low image limit with Flow, just a few and it's gone. The result is you only run on one email while the rest sit unused. Such a waste. The solution has 2 parts. Part 1, instead of a free email, switch to an account with the Google AI Pro plan. And the great thing is, you don't have to pay full price. It only costs about $2 for a 1-year plan. This cost goes to a reseller who registers the plan for you. Or if you prefer, you can register for free yourself through Google's promotions, which differ from country to country. So the cost of owning an image generation machine is almost nothing. Part 2, and this is the key, is Google's family feature. When you create a family group, you can share Google services with up to 5 other members. One important thing to remember, the limit is 6 people in a group. That is, 1 family manager plus 5 members. And this number 6 also counts people who haven't accepted the invite yet. So manage your invitations carefully. Now here's the magic. When all 6 emails in the group enjoy Pro through Family, you'll have 6 Pro emails running at once. Your total image generation limit is multiplied by 6, compared to using just 1 email and wasting this family feature. In short, the formula is very simple. 1. A cheap Pro account plus 5 regular emails. 2. Put them all into one family group of 6 people. 3. Connect them to Glab's automation and let it run. So from only making a few images, you now have 6 times the capacity. Now let me show you live, step by step. First, log into your main manager email. From the Gemini interface, look to the bottom right and click the Settings button. Then choose the Manage Subscription option. Or faster, go straight to the address, one.google.com/settings. I'll put this link in the description below. Once on the page, choose the Manage Family option. Next, click Set up a family group. Then confirm to create a new family group. Now start adding members to the family. One by one, enter each regular email you want to add to the group. Remember, up to 5 members, since the manager already takes 1 spot. After adding them, turn on Shared AI Plan access for the members. This is a key step because it lets the whole group use the AI Pro plan. As soon as it's on, invitations are sent to the members. Finally, log into each member email, open the inbox, and click Accept the invite in the mail. Repeat this for all 5 members. Once all 6 emails have joined, your family group is complete. Now just open Glab's automation and add these 6 emails one by one. The software will rotate image generation across all 6 accounts, and the total limit adds up. So with just a few dollars and a free Google feature, you've increased your image generation limit by 6 times. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.